How AI is revolutionizing relay protection in medium voltage switchgear. AI can analyze historical fault data to develop more accurate fault detection models, reducing fault strips and improving reliability. Companies like ABB, Eaton, and Schneider Electric offer AI-based relay protection systems. AI enables adaptive protection algorithms that can adjust settings in real time to compensate for system changes like load variations and aging equipment. AI improves fault location by analyzing time domain waveforms of fault currents. Faster and more accurate fault location means faster isolation and repair. AI enhances security and resilience by identifying and mitigating cyber threats. It also enables fault-tolerant systems that can operate even if components are damaged. Leading companies like ABB, Eaton, and Schneider Electric are developing and implementing AI-based relay protection solutions for medium-voltage switchgear. As AI technology continues to advance, more innovative applications in relay protection are expected. AI has great potential to significantly improve reliability, security, and resilience of protection systems. In summary, AI is bringing major benefits like improved fault detection, adaptive protection, enhanced security, and faster fault location. This is revolutionizing relay protection and enabling more robust and reliable medium voltage switchgear systems.